Hi, good afternoon guys, I'm back again. Today I'm gonna do a bit of sightseeing in Edinburgh. Yesterday I went to Arthur's Peak, which is actually there, but I didn't record anything. Maybe today again I'll go to that peak again and show you the view from the top of the mountain. So I'm outside Edinburgh Castle. As you can see. So, yeah. The entrance fee is around £80 online. That's like 1,800 Indian rupees. I'm not really sure if I should go inside. I'm not much into history these days. But yeah, let me show you the view from here. I mean, this looks more beautiful than Switzerland. Just like look at the cliffs. So yeah, today I'm gonna cover a couple of landscapes as recommended by my hostel receptionist. Let's keep moving ahead. I'll show you the town. Actually, I'm going to have lunch. Yesterday I found a couple of restaurants where you can have like food in £3 to £5, which is like 300 to 500 rupees, like good food. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and try to find food for myself. In the meanwhile, I'll try to show you the town. It's really beautiful, you know, with Gothic style architecture. I usually start my, sightseeing tour around in the afternoon because, it gets dark over here by 9 o'clock. So, I don't feel like getting up in the morning, Yesterday I went to a bar, had some beer, so thought of, just taking some rest. So, as you can see, very touristy town. Lots of tourists from all around the world. Let me show you this church. Yeah, a lot of street artists following here. So that's one restaurant full of rich craft. So I'm just gonna keep walking straight and show you this narrow alley. This town reminds me more of my childhood hometown, which was Darjeeling. As the roads were very steep and we never had like flat roads, and there were lots of stairs to get a shot. But definitely the architecture of the buildings were not like this. It was more like influenced from Tibet and Nepal. Even though English people, they had a bit of their foothold on that city, as if they wanted to escape the heat from mainstream India, they used to go to these places in Darjeeling or Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. So yeah, let's keep moving. And they have this hop on hop off bus for like £10. So yeah, £10. It's not a bad price. So maybe tomorrow I can do this. But yeah, today I think I'm gonna definitely do some hiking and cover as much as I can get. Yeah, it's time to find the cheap restaurants, I guess. I don't know. That's a very beautiful church, something. Let's see. Probably I should cross the road. So this is Saint Cathedral or Saint Guy's, I don't know how do they pronounce it. And I guess this guy is Walter Francis something Douglas Scott, 7th Duke of Queensberry. Ah yeah, that's his statue. Yeah, oh, look, so I'll keep moving forward towards the market. Take off that screen. Yeah, I need to keep moving and try to find place to eat food, and then maybe I can go for hiking today. And yeah, I mean, you can buy a lot of cashmere and lamb's wool. Like, they have literally so many shops, like scarves for like 6 to 30 pounds. I don't know if that's affordable. But yeah, you've got like a lot of these shops over here. If you want to buy like a pure lamb wool cardigan, yeah, this is the place to be. Also, if you want, you can do a lot of tours, like these people. They have booked a tourist guide and, you know, explaining all the history. I mean, I'm not much into tourist guides. I mean, I can just Google up and search for the information. I rather like to speak to people around, but, you know, I didn't actually get a chance to speak to people on my video much. I don't know. Yeah, so see you around. Climb on top of it. So yeah, the walk starts from here, I guess. So I'm just gonna circle around and get on top of the mountain.